Round 2.
First thing in the morning, Tim couldn't wait to play some Super Smash Brothers.
All right, check it out. Got some sweet tires on the van. I do need to order a bunch of foam so I can make some rockers.
What the hell this man got up in here?
Dude, these are so cheap.
I just wait till you take them out.
Gotta buy ambits, you know. They were $350.
Damn.
But these will have better fitment than the 350 wheels on the Lexus. So I was thinking I could do these on the Lexus as like the nice wheels, the 350 wheels on the Lexus as a spare, and then I could use the black ESRs all the time for the 350. And then these also wouldn't look terrible on the 350.
Oh, yeah. 10 yen, 20 yen, 30 yen. I'll give you a whole 100 yen.
Oh, no.
If you can get Oh yeah.
What you're doing with that? Yeah, no one will guess that.
Yep. You done fumbling over your items?
I think so.
All right.
Yeah, so today we are finishing up Chris from Beats for Build's taillights for his 240Z for SEMA or whatever. So we've tinted the lenses. We have the LEDs in there. While you guys were away doing whatever, I sealed these real quick, but we got some footage of that. And now, so the taillights are all sealed. The boards are in there. The wiring's complete. Everything's labeled. So the only last finishing piece we need is this like trim piece. This is the old trim piece. It's super gross.
Ew, what is that?
But it basically just sits on there as like a little finisher. But it's got 3 holes on it, so you can't really leave them how they are, and it looks unfinished too. So we're gonna get some of this carbon, well this piece really, and sit it in here and make a slim, modern version of this basically. Because these are gross.
So basically you're gonna be using your pre-preg carbon?
Yeah. Same stuff we use for my wing stands. But, so yeah, so we'll get to cutting, finish a lot of it. We're not gonna leave it matte like this though. I think he wants it gloss, so we'll clear it after we're done. And that'll be that. And then we can box these things, ship them out to him. We'll do a quick little probing of them so we can see all the lights.
So what blade are you gonna be using for the pre-preg?
Right now I'm just using a quick wood blade, which will get destroyed really fast, because that's all I have.
Improvise, my friends, improvise.
Yeah, the carbon's gonna like dull these out super fast, but I have a couple of these, so it should be fine for the amount of cutting I need. Now I also have a cut-off wheel over there and a grinder, so we'll get to that.
All God's creatures do in some form or another. I mean, you look in the forest, we got species killing other species, our species killing all species, including the forest. And we just call it industry, not murder. But I know a lot of people who deserve to die. I think everybody got something in their past, some sin, some awful secret thing. A lot of people walking around like they're already dead, just need to be put out of their misery.
Cool. Well, we just need to even it out a little bit. It'll be good.
It's crazy how hot that stuff gets.
Yeah. Those things are probably, if you can see how dull that is compared to these guys. That's hot. Oh, wow.
What's going on with this?
Throw in a little bit of 1 minute epoxy. I'm trying to keep these corners. I have to get them to epoxy to this guy. So I can pull this off, round some of the edges, clear this by itself, and then glue it back on. What I'm gonna do is lay a little epoxy down. So this is all this excess stuff. I'm gonna sand off anyways, so it doesn't matter. So I just let it sit. As long as it's sitting perfectly, let that one dry. While it does, I'm gonna knock out this second one real quick. And then once they're both dry, we can pop them off, sand them like I was saying, and then we'll clear them how they are. Chris wants some gloss, so we'll keep them gloss. So you have both of these guys rounded out a little bit, sanded, a little bit of 180. It's really cool because you'll be able to see the transition of like the different layers of carbon from the top. But so we just need to clear these guys, epoxy them in there, maybe run a quick buff over this, over the lens, just because I've scuffed it up a little bit, messing with all the shit. And then we'll light them up real quick, box them up, ship them out.
So he has used an old tape roll as leverage, taped the tape roll down and threw some back tape under.
Take the tape down, the tape.
Just say tape a whole bunch of times.
Now it's taped.
He has found an infinite loop to know. I don't even
Dude, what is happening?
What you got there, sir?
Vlog and camera.
Alright, I'm gonna let you go ahead and take over.
What's up? Alright, we're gonna go spray this stuff, semi-gloss. Chris didn't answer, but we'd always spray a gloss after if we need to. But we got everything set up in the booth. So I'm gonna get to this real quick, spray it, be done.
How's your footage come out?
Trying to show you?
Man, what you down here doing?
Getting that thumbnail, guy.
This goes down for the thumbnails. Alright, I'm done. Heat arises from under the table to provide you guys with factual knowledge of what just happened. So now it's time to box them up.
Yep. Alright, so that's a wrap. We fully built the boards for all the LEDs, ran all the wiring, cut the housings, smoked the lenses, built these custom carbon trim pieces, resealed them, tested them. They're good to go. Chris, hope you like them. Beats for build. Whatever. Yeah, cool. It's fun doing stuff with like other YouTubers and stuff like that. Just kind of, it's a weird community of people. It's like fun meeting people that are actually in the same community. But
So I guess what, just gotta clean them up.
yeah, so we're just gonna clean them up, box them up, ship them out because SEMA is in like 5 days.
I like how you just checked your skin watch.
I do that all the time.
What do you say, quarter past in hair?
Freckle past a hair. It's from Ed, and Eddie. Come on.
Like, comment, subscribe. If you enjoyed this content, please let us know. Comment below.
We out.